Let's get straight to the point. If you've ever dreamed of building a business that brings in steady income month after month, you're in the right place. The subscription box market is booming, worth billions globally and growing fast. Every year, more people are signing up for curated experiences delivered right to their doorsteps. This isn't just a trend, it's a new way people shop and discover products. Subscription boxes have changed the way we think about shopping, turning ordinary deliveries into moments of excitement and surprise. The best part? You don't need a huge investment or a fancy degree to start. All you need is a great idea, some hustle, and the willingness to learn as you go. Imagine customers paying you every month for a box you curated. Recurring revenue, not just one-time sales. This model means you can predict your income and plan for growth with confidence. Brands like Dollar Shave Club and FabFitFun started small and became giants. They built loyal communities and turned simple ideas into household names. The barrier to entry is low, but the rewards are high. With the right approach, you can scale from a side hustle to a thriving business. You can start from your living room with just a laptop and determination. Many successful founders began with little more than a vision and a willingness to take action. The subscription model gives you predictable cash flow and loyal fans. Your subscribers become your community, eagerly awaiting each new box. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon with a clear path. Success comes from consistency, creativity, and a willingness to adapt. In this guide, I'll give you the blueprint, from finding your niche to building your store and understanding the numbers. We'll break down each step so you can follow along and take action. No hype, just practical steps. You'll get real strategies you can use, whether you're starting from scratch or looking to grow. Get ready to take notes. Every tip and tactic could be the key to your breakthrough. Your journey to building a subscription box empire starts now. Let's unlock your e-commerce potential and turn your ideas into recurring revenue. To win, you must understand your customer. People are overwhelmed by choices. Decision fatigue is real. A curated subscription box cuts through the noise. We've done the work for you. It's not just about products, it's about the experience and the joy of unboxing. That monthly surprise creates anticipation and delight. You're selling a moment of joy, not just items. This emotional connection builds loyalty and keeps subscribers coming back. Value isn't just about price, it's about convenience and discovery. Your box solves real problems, saving time and effort. Subscribers join a community, not just a customer list. They become part of a tribe with shared passions. This sense of belonging makes your brand stick. It transforms transactions into relationships. That's the power of the subscription model. The secret to a successful subscription box? It all starts with picking the right niche, one that excites you and your customers. You can't serve everyone. Focus on a passionate, underserved audience. The more you understand their needs, the better you can deliver real value. 3 top niches stand out: pets, snacks, and wellness. These categories have proven demand and loyal communities. Why? They tap into recurring needs and deep passions. People love the anticipation of a monthly surprise that fits their lifestyle. Pet owners treat their animals like family. Think BarkBox, which sells joy, not just toys. Every delivery feels like a celebration for both pets and their humans. Go specific. Create boxes for certain breeds, organic treats, or senior pets. The more tailored your offering, the more loyal your subscribers. Snack boxes are all about discovery. People crave new tastes and love sharing unique finds with friends and family. Brands like Snack Crate offer global snack adventures, turning every box into a culinary journey around the world. Stand out with healthy, vegan, or regional USA snacks. Cater to dietary needs or local flavors to attract a devoted following. Wellness is booming. Self-care is essential. People are investing more in their health and happiness than ever before. Curate products like teas, essential oils, or yoga gear. Help your subscribers build healthy routines and rituals. Authenticity is key. Customers want clean, effective products. Transparency builds trust and keeps them coming back. Sub-niche ideas? Try boxes for new moms, mental wellness, or eco-friendly self-care. The possibilities are endless if you listen to your audience. The more specific your niche, the easier it is to connect and build a loyal community that feels seen and understood. Don't chase trends. Solve real, lasting needs. Focus on what truly matters to your subscribers. Build your box around passion and purpose. Add personal touches that make every delivery feel special. That's how you create value. That's how you win. Choose your niche wisely, and your subscription box can become a beloved part of your customers' lives. Every great idea deserves a place to grow. Your online store is where your vision comes to life. It's more than just a website. It's the digital home for your brand, your products, and your story. Shopify stands out as the top platform for subscription businesses. It's powerful, scalable, and incredibly user-friendly, making it perfect whether you're just starting out or ready to grow fast. Don't waste precious time building everything from scratch. Let Shopify handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on what matters most: your product, your customers, and your unique value. Branding is everything. Your site should capture your box's personality and make a memorable first impression. Consistent colors, fonts, and messaging help your brand stand out. Choose a mobile-friendly theme. Most customers shop on their phones, and a seamless mobile experience means more sales and happier shoppers. Invest in high-quality photos. Great images build trust and excitement, while poor photos can turn customers away before they even read a word. Use a reliable subscription app like Recharge or Appstol to handle recurring payments and manage your subscribers with ease. Don't cut corners on technology. This is the engine that powers your business. The right tools make everything run smoother and help you scale. Add an email marketing app to engage, nurture, and retain your subscribers. Automated emails keep your audience informed and excited. Make your site simple to use, clear calls to action, an easy checkout process, and minimal steps. Remove friction so customers can buy in seconds. Display customer reviews and trust badges to build credibility and reassure new visitors that your store is trustworthy. Your website is your best salesperson. Make it count. Dress it for success, keep it professional, and make buying effortless for every visitor. Let your store work for you around the clock. With Shopify, your business never sleeps, and you can make sales even while you rest. That's how you turn visitors into loyal subscribers, by creating an experience that's seamless, trustworthy, and memorable from the very first click. Your box is only as good as what's inside. Source products smartly, either wholesale or private label. Wholesale is fast and easy, but margins are lower. Private label gives you exclusivity and higher profits, but needs more investment. Negotiate with suppliers for the best deals and exclusives. Always test product quality before big orders. Get clear agreements and handle legalities. Register your business, get an EIN, and consult a CPA. Exclusivity makes your box stand out. Take care of paperwork early to avoid headaches. Quality and compliance are non-negotiable. You learn more from failure than success. Meet Sarah and Mike, two entrepreneurs, two outcomes. Sarah's Americana Eats thrived by focusing on a clear niche and storytelling. She sold nostalgia and culture, not just snacks. Her boxes included stories and built a community. Mike's gadget crate failed. His niche was too broad. His products, generic and low quality. Customers felt cheated. There was no brand or emotional connection. The difference? Sarah sold an experience. Mike sold stuff. Don't just fill a box. Create a story, solve a problem, build a tribe. Value, curation, and community are your secret weapons. Competing on price alone is a race to the bottom. Focus on what makes your box unique. Build relationships, not just transactions. That's what separates winners from failures. Learn from both stories. Choose your path wisely. If you don't know your numbers, you don't know your business. The path to $100K a month is all about the math. Master 3 numbers: cost of goods sold, customer acquisition cost, and lifetime value. Calculate your break-even. Know how many boxes you need to cover costs. Example: sell at $40, cost is $20, profit per box is $20. Cover fixed costs first, then scale. To hit $100K, you need about 2,500 subscribers at $40 each. Know how much you can spend to acquire each subscriber. Lifetime value should be at least 3x your acquisition cost. Lower your costs by negotiating with suppliers. Reduce churn with great service and community. Upsell add-ons to boost order value. Track every expense. Tax savings matter. Profitability is in the details. Know your numbers and you'll know your path. A subscription box is just the start. Think bigger. The best brands build communities and ecosystems, not just boxes. Use your audience to test and launch new products. Sell top-rated items individually on your store for extra revenue. Build a private group for subscribers. Foster connection and loyalty. Host events, run contests, and feature brand founders. When customers feel part of a tribe, they stick around. Plan your long-term vision. New product lines, events, or sub-niche boxes. Diversify your revenue and deepen relationships. The box gets customers in. The brand keeps them for life. Don't just build a box, build a world. That's how you create lasting value. We've covered the opportunity, the strategy, and the blueprint, but none of it matters unless you act. Execution builds empires, not just ideas. Take the story of My Balcony Garden. A simple idea born from personal frustration, now a thriving business in the USA. She solved her own problem and tapped into a passionate niche. You don't need a degree or big investment, just passion and courage. What's your passion? What problem can you solve? The best ideas come from your own life. Start small, listen to customers, and keep improving. Don't wait for perfect, start now. Your first 10 subscribers are waiting. The journey to $100K starts with one box. So, what's in your box? Go build it. The time is now.